These are some of my favorite Essie colors. Essie is a wonderful nail polish brand that I've been using now for, geez, probably 10 years now. And I love, one of my favorite things to do is to pick up new colors. They always have so many fun colors and fun names. And so these are some of my favorites. I have this particular one. It's a nice light purple. It is called Playdate number 300. And that's what I have painted on my nails here. It's such a fun color, really for any time of year, but it's summertime right now, and that's one of my go-tos over the summer. I love the polish. Oftentimes I just use one coat and that will do it. I do use their Strong Start as a base layer and their Stay Longer as a top coat because it's quick dry. So especially if you're anything like me, you just have a lot of stuff to do. You don't always have a ton of time to wait for your nails to dry, but I'll do a separate video on that. I know that sometimes it's hard to tell the colors just from looking at a picture online. So I did paint my other hand with some other colors. So this one here is called Off Tropic number 706. It's like a dark green. So that's what I have on my thumb right here. It is dark. I use this one a lot over Christmas time. I felt like it's like a Christmas tree color. Then I have this one. It's called Style Cartel number 709. It's like a deep blue color. I also liked this one a lot in the winter and in the fall especially. It's like almost black at some angles, but it is just like a really deep dark blue color, but it has a really nice shine to it. Then on here, Watermelon. This is probably the first color I ever bought from them. It is my all-time favorite. I often put this on my toes. And this is the one right here. It's like a reddish pinkish color, but it's a year-round staple for me. I love it. Then here, this is Plumberry. It's right here on my ring finger. I really love this one too. It's a nice pinkish berry color, very cute and pretty. And then this one finally is called Seize the Day. It's like that sea foam color. This one, sometimes I'll put double layer. I'll do a second coat if I want it more of a darker color. But you can see this is just one layer and it's still pretty true to the color in the bottle. So definitely, oh, sorry, I did not paint my nails with this, but this is another one of my summertime favorites called Check In to Check Out, number 582. Love it. It's a coral color. Anyway, I cannot say enough great things about these. The colors, I have even more than these. I'm not going to show all of them because this video would be forever. It would take forever to go through them all, but you can't go wrong with Essie. And if you're anything like me and you like saving some money and not having to go to the nail salon all the time and get nice nail colors and fun colors, oftentimes my friends will go get their nails done and come back with a really fun color, and I'll try to find one that looks similar and paint them the same. So a lot of my inspiration does come from the nail salon, and I'm able to find a really similar color in the Essie line. So cannot recommend them enough. Definitely check them out. I think you will be pleasantly surprised. I think you will be very happy no matter what color you choose.